Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Who was selected for the 60th Gnanpith Award announced in March 2026? Right answer is option B, R. Vairamuthu. Who became the Indian Air Force's first female Category A qualified flying instructor in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Squadron Leader Sanya. At which location is the 59th annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank scheduled to be held in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Samarkand, Uzbekistan. In May 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with the Grand Cross of the Royal Norwegian Order of Merit, the highest civilian honor of which country? Correct answer is option A, Norway. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Who assumed charge as the Chief Executive Officer of the Unique Identification Authority of India in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Saurabh Vijay. Which became India's 18th railway zone in May 2026? Right answer is option A, South Coast Railway. In May 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the highest honor of which country, the Royal Order of the Polar Star? Right answer is option B, Sweden. Which startup became India's first space tech unicorn in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Skyroot Aerospace. In May 2026, which book based on 35 years of experiences and memories with PM Narendra Modi was unveiled by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan? Correct answer is option C, Apnapan. On which date was World Migratory Bird Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option A, May 9th. In May 2026, who took the oath of office as the new Chief Minister of Kerala? Correct answer is option B, VD Satisan. When is National Technology Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option B, May 11th. Which football club won the La Liga 2025-26 title? Right answer is option C, FC Barcelona. In May 2026, the renowned mountaineer Kami Rita Sherpa, popularly known as the Everest Man, created a new world record by climbing Mount Everest for the 32nd time. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option A, Nepal. At which location did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate India's first functional PM Mitra Park in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Warangal, Telangana. India and which other country officially declared the year 2027 as the Year of Culture and Tourism? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Who has been sworn in as the second female president of Costa Rica in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Laura Fernandez. Who became the second footballer in the world after Cristiano Ronaldo to attain billionaire status in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Lionel Messi. Which country is set to become the 26th member of the International Big Cat Alliance? Right answer is option B, Saudi Arabia. Who was named the new Chief Minister of Karnataka in May 2026? Right answer is option B, DK Shivkumar. In May 2026, who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Assam for a second consecutive term? Right answer is option B, Himanta Biswa Sarma, who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Naval Staff of India in May 2026. Right answer is option B, Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Which young Indian batsman broke Chris Gale's 14-year-old record for hitting the most sixes in a single IPL season? Right answer is option A, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, who won the men's singles title at the Italian Open 2026 tennis tournament. Correct answer is option C, Jannik Sinner. Which team won the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 title? Correct answer is option D, India. Who authored the book Tides of Time Bharat's History Through Murals in Parliament? Right answer is option A, Sudha Murthy, who was appointed as the new vice chairperson of Niti Aayog in April 2026. Right answer is option B, Ashok Kumar Lahiri. National Science Day in India is celebrated annually on which date? Correct answer is option A, 28th February. Which country will host the AI Impact Summit scheduled for February 2026? Right answer is option D, India. Which state became the first to announce a dedicated budget for senior citizens? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. The legendary singer Asha Bhosle, known as the Voice of the Nation, was honored with the Padma Vibhushan in which year? Right answer is option C, 2008. Who was honored with the World Archery Para Archer of the Year 2025 award? Correct answer is option A, Sheetal Devi. Who is the leader of the Bangladesh Nationalist Party that secured victory in the 2026 Bangladesh general elections? Correct answer is option B, Tariq Rahman, who has been selected as India's first citizen to be enumerated in the country's 16th census, which will also be India's first digital census. Right answer is option C, President of India Draupadi Murmu. Which franchise secured the Women's Premier League 2026 championship title? Right answer is option A, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Who authored the book titled Mahatma, a Great Communicator? Right answer is option B, Dheeraj Kakadia. Who won the Best Leading Actor award at the 79th British Academy Film Awards? Correct answer is option C, Robert Aramayo. For which book did Arundhati Roy win the US National Book Critics Circle Award 2026? Right answer is option D, Mother Mary Comes to Me. On which date is National Youth Day celebrated in India? Right answer is option C, 12th January. Who has been assigned the additional charge of Director General of the National Investigation Agency? Right answer is option B, Rakesh Agarwal. Which state officially declared Bacillus subtilis as its state microorganism? Right answer is option C, Kerala. Who has been appointed as the first woman deputy chief minister of Manipur? Right answer is option B, Nemcha Kipgen. Which state government launched the Homestay Scheme 2026 to boost tourism? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Which team secured the Santosh Trophy title for the 2025-26 season? Correct answer is option C, Services. Jammu and Kashmir defeated which team to win the Ranji Trophy 2025-26 final? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Which state tableau won Republic Day Parade 2026 first prize? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Who won the Best Actress award at the 83rd Golden Globe Awards 2026? Right answer is option A, Jessie Buckley. The 24th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Varuna 2026 was conducted in May 2026 between India and which country? Right answer is option A, France. In May 2026, who was appointed by the Election Commission of India as the first woman chief electoral officer of West Bengal? Right answer is option D, Neelam Meena. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.